Hey, what's going on? It's your boy JMJ. This is the Marketing Made Easy video series. What we're looking to do is just take things back to basics, simplify your thinking, and give you an unfair advantage when it comes to your marketing. Now, this video is all about pricing. So how do you price your products, your services? It could be programs, courses, memberships, whatever it is. How do you price them? And what tactics can we look at to improve that? Now, most people, they will look to price for the hour, price for the service, or price for the outcome. Okay, there's nothing wrong with that. But what we want to do is just look at the different tactics that we can use to push people to the pricing that we want them to pay. Okay, so if you have just one price, just one service and one offer, there's nothing wrong with that. That's fine. Okay, you can use just that and just improve it, make it better, and get more people into it. Just make it the best offer that it can be. You can use some of these tactics as well, just to push people into this offer, and we'll run through those in just a minute. But what happens if you have different prices or different services, different levels? Well, look, these are the tactics that we can use to our advantage. So if we take Starbucks and McDonalds, any kind of fast food sort of range, they will use this tactic. And what happens is they just have a small price increase between the small to the large. So small, medium, large, there could be 10, 20 pence difference between them. And what happens there is most people go for the large because they think they are getting a better deal. Okay, so you can look to put this into your offering. So it could just be that you offer something extra and offer something extra. So if you just had that one price, for example, you could break it down into 3 different prices where it just looks like that large is better anyway. So it looks like they're getting better value by doing that. Another tactic is to use a standard and premium pricing option. And what we're doing here is we're just making one option seem inferior, or we're making one look to be, a lot better value for money. And you can use this in 2 ways, actually. You can use this in a way where you have the likes of a free option and then a premium option. You could have it so that the standard option looks really inferior compared to the premium option, and the premium option isn't that much more. So you can go into that way. And what you could also do is just have the standard as being the main focus, and the premium is exactly that. The premium is more high ticket, so you will get less people into it, but they can see that they have that option as well. And then another option to look at is where you push people into the middle. So you have a free option, you have a premium option, and then there's a bridge in between with an option that isn't too expensive, it isn't too cheap, it gives enough benefit, enough features, so it is seen as the best option. And to give you a quick example of this, it could be that you're a coach and you're offering the likes of a course, a do-it-yourself kind of course as the cheaper option. It could be then that you offer group coaching and you want to get more people into your group coaching, and then you offer one-on-one coaching at a premium. So these could be your free here, and the focus is driving people into that group coaching. And obviously with these kind of free options here, you could push them to either side. So you could make something look, going back to the kind of Starbucks and McDonald's method, is you could look to push them into the most expensive one, or you could look to push people into the free option to begin with, or the small ticket option as a bit of a trial. But these are different tactics that you can use here. So what should you do? Well, look, just have a look at your pricing, have a look at where you can tweak things and change things and add different levels, or push people into a better quality of service. So for instance, it could be that with 2 different options, you're given standard, you're given premium. The premium could be phone support or a consultation. Where we're looking at the kind of 3 different options, as if it was McDonald's with their fries, is you could just offer little bits of extra benefits into that. So you could just say, if you go to this level, you also get this, and if you go to that level, you also get that. So look, have a look at your business, have a look at your pricing, have a look at your different business models. And something just to quickly touch on before we finish is we've got to a maximum of 3 pricing tiers within this video here. Once you go above 3, it does become quite difficult because it gets confusing then. For a user to take action, it does get confusing. So think of a maximum of 3. That standard and premium option is fire. Okay, if you can actually just put that into your business where you are taking away something or adding something and charging a bit more, you'll get a lot more customers for that. So have a look at putting that into place. I'm hoping that this video has given you some value. What I would do is catch you in the next video. Check out some of the past videos as well if you haven't done so far, and I'll see you then.